My God, it's a hard life. No, it's not. Look where I am. I'm in the middle of some woods in Wales. I'm actually, I'm in Monmouthshire, not far from Tintern. And I'm having a meet-up with a fellow YouTuber. At least I think he's got a YouTube channel. Well, I'll meet up with a mate anyway. So yes, I believe he's not coming until tomorrow, but I've decided to spend the night here tonight, so hopefully we won't get any trouble. I was recommended this spot, and he said it's a very nice place, and it does look it so far. You like it, don't you, Ellie? Hey, do you like it? Where's she gone? Well, there you go, see? There you go, see? She's off exploring already. And can you hear the birds? Ah, it's lovely. Anyway, I'm going to have my tea, and we'll get off out, so see you in a minute. Right. It's a massive car park down there. Just noticed. It's a really big car park down there. Oh, it's like a kiddies play area there, look. There's Sammy, look. You can't see all the extras I've done on a barrier, may be locked at any time. Oh, okay. Oh, there's just more and more people. Oh, it's really nice up here. I think it would be nicer later on in the evening when there's nobody around, I think. There's a big car park, look. I opted to park there. I didn't realise. I came up the hill and saw the green gate, and I thought that was it. I didn't realise. All this was here. There's some. Oh wow! We'll go down and have a look at those in a bit. There's some sculpture things. What do they call them? Wood carvings. Looks really nice. Oh, lovely birds! Wow. Oh. It's lovely here, as far as the eye can see. Oh, look at the countryside. Lovely. What does that say? Turning area only. Oh, okay. Ah, here we go. So this is White Stone, it's called. Ah, right. White Stone Nature Reserve. Yeah, there's the River Wye, the Wye Valley. So where are we then? Oh, here. Oh, I see. I think that's there's Tinterns down here somewhere. I think that's Tintern down that way. We're just past it. If you carry on up there, that goes up to Monmouth. There you go. There's Tintern there. Look. You are here. So yeah, Tintern's there. Look, the old station. I don't know if you guys can remember. But, I came up this way quite a while back. Did a few videos a while ago, and I stopped in the old station. Actually, no, I did a camp, didn't I? I did a stealth camp, and went to visited Tintern, and I took you guys with me because the road through Tintern was closed at the time for repairs. Actually, it is again now, which is one of the reasons why I came here. Because I thought hopefully it'd be a bit quieter because the road's shut. So I'm guessing there'll probably be just locals here, maybe, I don't know. Yes, it's really nice. So that's the Monmouth Road that runs along there. Can't let Ellie off at the moment because she's in season again. So I've got to put up with her dragging me. And we smelly. Hey, got to put up with you dragging me around, or vice versa. I think she'll have to put up with me dragging her. I think is more likely. Anyway, yeah, so let's go. Nice here, isn't it, Else? Hey, it's nice here. Got some lovely bluebells up there, look. Not quite huge bluebell wood, but still nice nonetheless. Lovely. Brace yourself. Brace yourself, guys. There's another amazing view. Look at that. Wow. Cool. What a view. Holy, holy molies. I don't know if you guys can see actually, but that's the Wye Valley, obviously, but that's the River Wye runs up through there. Unfortunately, well, you might not be able to. I might try and zoom in a little bit. Can't zoom in too much because it's only the GoPro, unfortunately. But what a beautiful view, isn't it, eh? Magic. That's typical, isn't it? Battery's nearly flat again. Never mind. We'll try and enjoy as much as we can before I have to return to get another battery because I didn't bring one. Look, if you haven't had chance to see her, or haven't done a reveal video, this is what she looks like now. Lots of extras, look. And I think she looks very smart, if I do say so myself. I'm very pleased with how she's come out. But I still have to do the roof at the moment. That still has to be painted, but yeah, so I'm very chuffed. I think she's looking very nice. Ooh, that was a wet night. Hello guys. Yeah, next morning and it's time to go home. Which to be honest is probably a good thing. Ellie wants to go for a walk, but I had a bit of a leak in the night. Look, can you see all that? I don't know if you can see very well, but that is very wet. It's been leaking in my back door last night. My carpet's sopping wet down here, and my curtains are soaked as well. But luckily, it didn't go in the sleeping bag. It just sort of it dripped down the blackout blind and soaked into the curtain, and then from there it then jumped into the carpet. So yes, I knew that there was an issue with this, but it hasn't done it for so long. I'd forgotten the issue was there. I have one issue already, which is that door still leaks over there. Comes in the window rubber, even though I've sealed it. I have no idea where it's getting in there. But that again, that's only sometimes. And the same for this one. It's only sometimes. Very rare, but if it does come in, it comes in quite badly. So I'm definitely going to have to investigate this one further, because it's pretty wet in here this morning. So yes. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Nice quiet night. Unfortunately, mate couldn't make it this morning, so I'm going to be heading off home in a minute anyway, because So I've got to sort this drip out before it gets any wetter in here. So, love and light, guys. Have a great rest of the day. Thanks for coming on this little micro adventure with me. And see you next week. When we Ali. See you in the next one.